Very good morning student. How are you all? In previous module we have started chapter 2 maps. Already we have talked about the globes and map. After that globes and map we will start the subtopic of elements of maps. Now you can see it here. Maps consist a certain element such like that direction, scale, color, symbol. These elements are used to give us different types of information about the map and the area cover it. Students, जो ये हमारे elements हैं, they help to us to cover the area of map and they just give some type of information to us. One of the most important element of the map is direction. First of all, we'll start with the direction. There are 4 cardinal directions: north, south, east and west. Okay students, now you can see this map also. I have shown it here. It is a north direction, north at the top, south is at bottom, east is at to the right and west is to the left. Student, you have to remember one thing is that right hand side it is the east and the left side is your west. These are the 4 main directions: north, south, east and west. In between of this you can measure the northeast here, and east to south you can measure southeast, and this is south to west, it is southwest, and west to north is the northwest. We always mention the north at the top and the south is at the bottom. We can mention N for north and S for south. These are the 4 main cardinal directions for the map. The third one is scale. A map really shows the actual distance between 2 places. Yes students, suppose if you are making the map of your home to school and your school is 2 kilometers far from your house. So it is not possible to make a map on a sheet of a paper. That's why it shrunk the actual distance between the 2 places. See, the scale of is the ratio between distance shown on the map and the actual distance on the ground. The scale of 1 centimeter is equal to 100 kilometer. This is called a linear scale. I just make you understand here. Suppose your school is 2 kilometers far away from your house. So it is not possible to make a so big map on a 1 sheet of a paper. In this way, when we are making a drawing on or a map on a piece of a paper, we'll just make the shrink out the distance of the two places. Here 1 centimeter is equal to 100 kilometer. Suppose the distance between the Dehradun to Roorkee is 100 kilometers. So we cannot make the map of 100 kilometers. We'll show this distance like this: 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 100 kilometer. Suppose a city is 200 kilometers far away, so we'll mention 2 centimeter here. And this is called a linear scale. You can see it here also. After that, we comes for the colors. Here in this map, I have shown you some particular colors. Okay, this is a world map. In this world map, I have mentioned your oceans and your continents. It's showing a different color, and I have mentioned everything here in this box, which color shows the which specific. Here, certain standard colors are used in maps to show features such as ocean, seas, mountains, plain, desert, etc. When we will show the water bodies, we always show it with a blue color. Dark blue shows deep water bodies like ocean, seas, and light blue color shows the shallow water like a pond or a stream. After this, mountains and highlands are shown in a brown and yellow color. Dark brown shows high mountains just like a Himalayas. Light brown shows a lower mountains just like a Shivalik ranges and hills. Yellow shows plateaus. Here students, plain and lowlands are shown in a green color. If we are talking about the Haryana and Uttar Pradesh, these are the plain areas. So we will mention the green color for this area. Okay, these are some particular colors which we show in maps. After this, symbols. To make it easier to show features and a place on a map, certain standard symbols are used in map. A symbol is a shape or a sign that is used to represent something. Here in this, I have shown you all the symbols. If you are making the map, suppose from your home to school, and some post office and a police station or a railway line lies in between your home to school, so you can write PO, PS, and these symbols you can use for making the map. So it is a symbol, boundary between the country, this is a sea route, boundary between state, this is the capital. Suppose you want to show the Dehradun as a capital, so you can show like this. Okay, these are the particular symbols. Especially these are the shape or a sign which used to represent something. So hope so students, in this way you can understand the elements of map. This is direction, scale, color, symbol. These are the most important elements of maps when we make the map. In this way you can understand these particular elements. Hope so your doubts would be clear and easily you can draw a map. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.